You walked into my courtroom with a felony charge on your record. You walked out and didn't even owe any money. You don't understand what a gift you get. The prosecutor gave you a gift. I gave you a gift. Emily, let's put these just in alphabetical
Okay.
instead of the different files. I'm not smart enough to jump back and forth. Go ahead, counsel.
Judge, you're here today for violation of probation. The defendant is aware he's got a right to hearing. Essentially, he's been here before the judge. Last time he was here, he was told he had to take care of some days in the work program. He was able to do so. I have looked at some text messages from his work indicating they were going to fire him back in December if he missed work. He didn't miss work, he missed the work program. Judge is here today. He no longer has that job. He's got plenty of time to do the work program. We're hopeful that you might consider that as an alternative to jail. Given that he's no longer working, he can clear that up ASAP. Am I correct in saying that, sir? Yes, sir.
Why'd you lose the job?
To me, I just feel like my boss was too entitled. That was one of my second time calling off, but she had that man with me.
Why'd you call off?
I can't remember what I called off.
This started out as a felony charge. You understand that? Mr. Black, I don't think I'm doing you a favor not putting you in jail. I think I should put you in jail. Because I don't think you understand the bullet you dodged when you got a misdemeanor plea. So you're standing here facing jail time and you lost the job anyhow. You're not making good decisions, bro. Where was the job at?
Sure.
What were you doing?
Merch manager.
Who manager?
Merch manager.
How long were you there?
7 months.
How old are you? Where'd you go to high school? Graduate? What was your GPA? What's your long range plan?
I was sales rep going into like marketing and all that and everything, but they ended up letting me go because of my background check. Yes.
What came up? You got some felony record?
It's okay.
This one?
Yes.
And where you live?
Detroit.
We still got a Taylor address. Is that a good mailing address?
Oh wait, yeah, that's still my.
Grandma's a good mailing address? You got a driver's license? Why not? Why? Too many points? When can you get it back?
Yeah, Your Honor, with his girlfriend, I believe he does have some family support. They are aware of this to a certain extent.
Mr. Black, I feel like I need to have you come in here once a week just so I can mentor you. How old are you? Dude. You can't accomplish much without driving privileges in the state. You know, we ain't in Chicago where you can take buses everywhere. And you don't know what it takes to get your license back?
No, I think I have to just pay off my tickets.
I think one more.
All right, so first of all, I'm not putting you in jail today. I stress today. I might still put you in jail, but not today. I'm going to give you some work program. I'm going to penalize you. I'm going to give you 4 days. You're going to have to finish the 4 days on the work program. If you do that, then I'm done with you. You don't owe us any money, right?
You didn't charge him.
Yeah, yeah. You walked into my courtroom with a felony charge on your record. You walked out and didn't even owe any money. You don't understand what a gift you get. The prosecutor gave you a gift. I gave you a gift.
Your Honor, he was also ordered to engage in anger management as well.
And that didn't happen either?
We had him or told him to provide documentation by January 5th and he failed to do so.
Did you do any anger management?
Not, Your Honor.
Why? What? You're not working? What? Seriously, tell me what's going on. What's stressing you out, dude? What, you don't have stable housing?
Just about 2 weeks ago, just got stable housing.
All right, so you didn't have stable housing. All right. Brother, you need a job.
They could hear us.
Do you consider a review date a couple of weeks out with a number of hoops to jump through between now and then
I want to get him a job, but I can't get him transportation.
I was gonna reference that license judge, maybe take a look at his driving record, see what's going on, try to get it in the right direction as it relates to that as well.
Listen to me. Yes, I'm going to give you some time. Hear my heart. I want to help you because I don't want you spending time in places like this 5 years down the road. All right, February 12th.
Are you having work program, Judge?
I am.
So is he doing 8 days or just 4 days?
How many were you ordered to do originally? How many has he done?
He has done 2 days till,
So he walked in the door owing us 2.
he was ordered 4 days, he's completed 2.
All right, so you're going to do 4. I'm penalizing you 2 days. All right, so get a plan in place for the anger management. Finish the 4 days in the work program as scheduled. Don't call and say, I got to reschedule one of my 4. Whatever you walk out of here today, whatever 4 days you pick today, those are the days you're going to do. Yes? Okay. We'll talk on February 12th. I would suggest between now and February 12th, go to the Secretary of State and find out what you need to get on the road legally. All right? And when I say I want to get you a job, dude, I have people that will hire you if you'll show up and work every day you're scheduled. I got their cards up here on my bench. But you got to show up and you don't call in because you got a sniffle, right? You grab a box of Kleenex and you go to work. If you're willing to make some life changes, I'm willing to put myself out there to help you. Are you listening to me? But man, you got to start making good decisions. You're 21, so you only got a couple more years where you can use young and dumb as an excuse for doing things wrong. But when you're 30, you can't keep saying, well, you know. And I've never walked in your shoes, brother. And if you feel like I'm being dismissive, I don't know what you've gone through. I have no idea, and I don't care right now because I know tomorrow's a new day for you. And I'll help you change things if you'll work with me. So February 12th, 2026, 1 p.m. was it?
Yes.
All right. And get your attorney's phone number.
I appreciate it.
Good luck. Oh, he does owe us some money on something else though. Expired license and speeding tickets. My paperwork says you owe us $642. Are you in a position to make any kind of payment plan on that?
And $50 a week.
Can you pay that? You sure? I'll tell you what. Everybody out there raise your hand if you owe the court money. Cover your ears. I don't want you to hear this. I'll hold off on this until we get a plan so we know what has to be done on your license.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday.
What started as a probation review quickly turned into a serious reality check from Judge Oakley. Mr. Black stood before the court after failing to complete his work program, skipping anger management classes, losing his job, and still not having a valid driver's license. As the judge reviewed the long list of missed opportunities, his frustration became impossible to hide.
Next one.
Tony Whitted.
I'm sorry, Whitted?
Whitted, W-H-I-T-T-E-D.
Got it.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tim Kuhn on behalf of the defense. Standing my last state name again, ma'am.
Tony Whitted.
Judge, I'm here today for a show of cause.
What do I got here? So I've got a double parking, expired license, and a no insurance, right? Okay.
Correct, Judge. I think we're here on a violation of the payment plan, is that correct?
Yes, on the payment plan, so this particular case that the hearing is for, there's a balance of $15.
Well, excuse me. It's for all three.
It's all, yeah.
Yeah, it's all three.
together.
So what our records show is you currently owe on all three, I don't know what the breakdown is $435. Does that fit what you've got?
Yeah, that,
Okay, all right, so we gave you the option to do 29 hours of community service, right? And that didn't work. So what's your plan to take care of your obligation?
I've been paying $50 a month. I missed a payment or two, and that's why I got those.
All right, so you want to just keep going, keep running the $50 a month?
And I can make a payment today.
All right. You may if you can. So if you have the ability to pay $50 a month, I'll run with it. All right, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Next one.
I'll be back.
Mr. Bowditch, what do you have?
Sentencing, Your Honor, on Joe Nathan Johnson.
Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did Mr. Stock show up?
Yes.
Counsel, you're up next. Go ahead, Mr. Bowditch, your appearance.
Sounds good, Judge, thank you.
Fourth record, Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Johnson. Sir, could you tell the judge your name and record, please?
Joe Nathan Johnson.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for sentencing in this matter. I have received the PSI. I have reviewed the PSI. You have two corrections, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
One in the number of children. Mr. Johnson just had his sixth child who is present out in the auditorium out there and who is lovely.
Congrats.
And he has a new work at RXO Shipping in Canton.
What do they ship?
All kinds of stuff, they do like home.
Okay. Okay. What are you doing there?
I actually want one on the trucks and I was shipping all to the people.
All right, full time?
Right
Good.
now, we laid off the love on.
Okay. How long?
They said the beginning or middle of February,
How long you been off?
they're off 6 weeks after Christmas.
Oh, you got to get a different job, dude. What are they paying you?
But it's
Oh, you
right
got-
up the street from home, so
What's that?
it's right up the street from home. So
You got transportation issues?
mom got
Yeah, what's wrong with your license?
it suspended since I never had it.
I believe, Your Honor, he may have a DLAD
Hmm.
hearing in the future. I have given him the number of his sick.
All right, anything before I sentence, gentlemen?
No, Your Honor, we would request that you adopt the recommendations of probation.
Mr. Johnson, nothing to add? All right, I'm gonna go along with the recommendations. We put you on probation for 12 months. Items 1 through 12 that were recommendations are now court orders. That includes 8 days on the work program. I assess work program as an alternative to jail. You pick the scheduled day. Fines and costs on the file, $1,500. You bring that much money today? Go downstairs and talk about your options. You also owe us money on another file. Failed to display a valid license from 2025. Looks like that's $650. So make some kind of a global arrangement downstairs to get that paid off. They'll tell you what your options are. Questions? Good luck.
He scheduled his work program at the same time, Your Honor.
Yeah, same place, same time.
It's laid off, he has time to complete it.
Get it done. Try to get the days done so when they call you for work, you can go. All right, good luck. I'm not finding a McFarland.
Is it on violations?
I've only got 2 sets files. Unless you've got some files somewhere else.
I separated the violations and the show causes.
Come on up. Oh, there you are. Good morning. Always morning somewhere. We've got a malicious use of telephone file from July 3rd, 2025. You were ordered to do 3 days on the work program? No, I said you were ordered to do 3 days on the work program. And you did not, which is why you're here. Why not?
I'm trying to make it up.
Okay. You working? Okay, 3 days in jail. Have a seat.
How many, Judge Street?
3 days. Anybody else ready, Jamie?
A Sean. You want to go? No, that's okay, that's all right.
I'm ready for work. Who you got?
I appreciate it.
Who you got?
Joe McCarty, sir.
Taylor?
Yes, sir.
Sentencing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your appearance, counsel.
John Graziani, P number 43387, on behalf of Joe McCarty, Taylor, who's standing up.
Hello. Go ahead, counsel.
We had the opportunity to review the pre-sentence investigation report. There are no additions or deletions or corrections. There's one minor addition, although it's the one, he is currently working as a technician and has been doing so in heating and cooling with a good friend of his for the past month.
Good, good.
Great, especially this time of the year.
Yeah, no kidding. Getting lots of hours, I bet.
Yes, sir, especially other lady, yeah.
That's good, good. All right, anything else before I sentence?
Nothing else, Judge, except to defer perhaps some of the work days because this weather has been
Mhm.
not too good, maybe a couple of months at least.
So it said you completed a program at Sobriety House?
Sure it is.
What, tell me what the program was.
It's basically, I have a problem with, liquor, drinking, and, it was a program that I was recommended to.
No, but tell me the details.
Oh, so
You went in for 3 weeks.
Yeah, no, I went in the inpatient program. It's a 29-day program. I went
Okay.
in there,
So you did a month inpatient.
I did a month inpatient. I
Good.
sure did, with, classes, like AA
Good,
classes.
good. So what are you doing for them now?
Case manager. Right now I'm at Idea, so I'm not going through.
How often you seeing somebody there?
Once a month, I see a case.
Good,
manager,
good,
therapist.
good.
Actually, missed my therapist. Yesterday I just rescheduled today.
Okay.
But,
So how many days of sobriety you got?
I have like 70, 80 days of sobriety. Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah.
All right, so get some documentation, because I'm gonna order you to do substance abuse,
Yes, sir.
right? So get some documentation so we can just keep you moving in the
Yes.
Riviera program.
Yes, sir. Most definitely.
Right, all right, anything else before I sentence?
No, I'm just working on this alcoholism, Your Honor. It's not happening overnight. It's a battle, but I'm working.
Yeah, that's the right attitude. You didn't get here overnight. You're not gonna fix it overnight.
Yes.
Good, good for you. I'm impressed that you didn't wait for me to tell you what to do.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Good for you. All right, so I'm gonna adopt in full the recommendation you went over with counsel. You're on probation for 12 months. The recommendations 1 through 10 are now court orders 1 through 10. That includes the substance abuse treatment. Like I said, let's get your information so we can structure our plan to work in conjunction with what you've already done. I'm ordering 8 days on the court work part. You know what? I'm gonna order 6 days for you instead of 8, just to recognize how proactive you've been.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Fines and costs, Mr. Taylor, $1,300. Can you pay that today?
No, I was where I feel like 50 to probably 50 shot.
Go downstairs before you get out of here. They'll tell you what all your options are. Just make sure before you get out of here, we've got some kind of plan in place. Any questions?
No other questions, Judge.
Good luck. Keep it up.
Have a good day and a good week. Everyone be safe.
So what can we do?
Oh, no, she's doing 3 days.
I just need to, I have to word it
Mm-hmm.
to make her do.
Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail.
Oh.
Counselor, you got somebody ready? Give me a name. Whitfield, come on up while I find the file.
Whitfield. Excuse me, here, Judge, I got some vops as well. Next one would be range, violation, probation.
I'm sorry, range?
Mr. Range. Mr. Range, what, sir?
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Range.
Think you would be 64917, period, and the applicant, Mr. Range, you said, Mr. Range, please tell the judge your name, sir. Range. Thank you, sir. Your Honor, it looks like we're here today, for a review date. Couple things, Your Honor. The defendant has been in complete compliance since, I believe, back in August. There is an evaluation that now has been attached to the file, which he has done per court order.
Okay, I don't have an evaluation.
You have permission to approach.
Please, please, please. Give me a minute to review.
Absolutely.
Counsel. How have you been?
Very good, thank you.
No more fires.
Oh, none.
Things going well?
Judge, if I can put record, his daughter-in-law is with him right now.
She's been here every time.
Sounds like he's got a lot of family support. They're very aware of the issues of working with him.
From where I'm standing, Mr. Range is very blessed. I said you're very blessed.
Yes, I.
You have lots of support. Yeah. All right. Emily, where are we at?
Over when we put it back on reporting or technically not reporting, there has been no issues.
Yep. Mr. Range,
Yeah.
you've stayed out of trouble since I talked to you last in July. Can you do it for a few more months?
Yeah.
You're sure? All right. You okay with that? All right. Have a nice day. Stay warm. You want those?
Yes, I'll come over.
Give me another name, counsel.
Entirety show cause.
Counsel?
Good afternoon, Your Honor, 10 PUMP 64917, on behalf of Ms. Tyree, standing to my left, Ms. Tyree, please stand, please, and seat. Your Honor, we're here today for show cause. It looks like I believe there were some days in the work program, these things I correct, as well as some money. It sounds like the defendant is in a position, Your Honor, to pay everything off within 60 days. She's had some issues with the work program simply because she's had to take, it cost her a bunch of money to do that.
So we're showing a balance of 300. Emily, is that right?
This is a show cause.
Oh, all right.
That's what the defendant told me.
Is that the number you thought, 300? Okay. All right, so I want to make sure we're on the same page. You owed money. I think we let you talk to the community enrichment program about doing community service hours. That wasn't working, so then they gave you the work program option and that didn't work. Is that how we got that? No, I mean, but you didn't complete it.
Right.
Right, we're all on the same page of how we got to where we're at right now. All right, but you think you can pay the 350 by when? Let's break it up. I don't want to wait 60 days to have to show cause you because we didn't get any money. So, where you living? Okay, so not too far. Can you do like a bi-weekly payment?
I mean,
Monthly? All right, so can you do $150 within 30 days? And then balance within 60? So when you go downstairs, have them put you in the computer and let's make sure you walk out of here and you know what our number is. Because if our number is right, we just saved you $50. All right, anything else, counsel?
Thank you.
All right, good luck, Ms. Tyree. The work program was to get the fines and costs paid off. Now she wants to do money. Next one.
Miss Moore, please. Shelby Moore? Do you want me to call the case number with this as well, or just the?
No, I just need names.
Cynthia, on behalf of Miss Moore, who stands to my left, Miss Moore, please take the record.
Shelby Moore.
Judge, this is another show cause hearing. She's missed a couple of days of work program. She can get back on that right away. My understanding is she can do that right away. Is that correct? Next week?
Yes.
I'm assuming we have the ability to schedule her that quick. You want to call?
Not here.
Oh, she's not here today.
Avery.
But I would make a record too, she did make a payment today as well.
What do you owe us right now? Do you know? All right, so you paid 50 today?
Somebody on work program next week. Yes, you do.
We need 2 days.
We need 2 days. You'll have them for next week.
All right. So how flexible are you for next week? All right. Okay. Okay, this is it though. So that would be. Oh. 26 and 7?
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, go downstairs and see Mr. Taylor and get that schedule up. Good luck. You're welcome. Next one,
Mr. Eric Miles,
Miles.
violated